Power on your L-series device and enter pairing mode. Please enable location and Bluetooth permissions. Open the Go Control app to begin setup. Select your device and start the Wi-Fi setup process. Choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Wait a moment while the device connects. A solid LED indicates the device is online. For multiple devices or maximum stability, we recommend using a wired LAN connection. Make sure your phone is connected to the same network. The device should appear automatically in the app. Still having trouble connecting? Submit feedback in the app for support. Next, we'll show you how to set up multi-room audio.